Guys, welcome to my channel. Let's see to how create a own QR code for free. I provided link in description or just open any browser in your desktop or phone. Search our QR code. Click on the second link. This is also available in Play Store or App Store, or you can use with website easily. And we can generate QR code in many types, like URL links, Play Store app or App Store apps, and location, Wi-Fi, password, any audio or records. Online banking, phone number, PDF, images, WhatsApp number, YouTube video link, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and Twit vCard custom URL. Come, let's see. Just I will create any image to QR code. Upload your any images to generate QR code. Type your QR code name. Click on Customizes and download. There are many of type themes you can customizes your QR code in 45 types. Click on Download QR code. Your QR code is downloaded. Open Google Lens, scan or upload your QR code. Scroll down, click on Website. Your image is successfully came. Thank you for watching.